such a mystery to me. Searching for something to make me happy. I have everything, no reason to complain. Is there any medicine for this pain? For some reason I'm still struggling to find my way. I've had times when I was full with no food on my plate. And I'm not rich, but far from struggling. It seems the more I get, the greater my struggle is. Oh, oh. Still fucked up, still acting tough. I'm my own worst enemy.